Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a double cheeseburger. So I hope you follow along and get to enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our double cheeseburger, we're going to begin up here with the bun. We'll start by making a line that's going to come up and down in a smiley face shape. Starting here, let's draw a line that just comes across to connect it. Next, we want to make the lettuce down here. To make lettuce, all you want to do is draw a line that's going to go out and then in. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and in. We'll start here, and we're just going to make some kind of wavy, bumpy lines that come all the way across. They'll go from one side to the next. And they can be different sizes too. Next, we want to add some cheese. To draw the cheese, all we're going to do is make a line that goes down and up with a V shape. We'll put another one over here. We'll go down, and we'll come up with the V. Next, we want to add the burger patty. To draw that, we'll start here. Let's make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and up here. Starting here, let's put a couple tomatoes on here. To draw the tomatoes, we'll draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down. We're going to come over and up for the tomatoes. After you've drawn that, we want to put some more cheese on here. I'll start here. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come up. Kind of a little bit more pointy than the others. I'll do another one here. We'll go down and up. Then we'll do one more over here. We're going to go out and then up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then come up for another patty. And then I want to add a little more lettuce down here. This time, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and in. And same thing over here. We're going to go out and in. Right across here, we're just going to add some more of those kind of bumpy, wavy lines that come across. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down. And another line that comes down. Then we're going to draw a line that comes across here and up. Now, on top of here, I want to add a face. So to draw the face, I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'll add a black dot inside each one for the pupil. We'll make a line across for the top of the mouth. And a line that's going to come down and up for the mouth. I'll add a little sad face for the tongue. Then I'll put in a few little teeth. And finally, the last thing I want to add are the little seeds. Now, to draw the seeds, we're just going to make a bunch of small little ovals all along the top for the seeds on the bun. We can also put a couple little ones right along the top here. And we can put a couple more around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cheeseburger. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.